Hi guys, we did our project on Cinderella. So here it is. Hope you enjoy. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Cinderella who lived with her stepmother who did not like her and made her work hard every day. Cinderella has two stepsisters, Drizella and Anastasia. The stepsisters never have to do work, they just prance around in their fancy dresses, and they always make fun of Cinderella's dress because it is so plain. One day, a letter came to the house. The stepmother reads, Drizella, Anastasia, listen to this. The king is having a ball tonight, and his son, the prince, will choose a wife, and every girl in the kingdom must be there. Cinderella stated, Then can I go too? You? Ha 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 ha, Drizella and Anastasia said. Cinderella states back, But it says every girl in the kingdom must be there. The stepmother smiles at her wickedly. Of course you may go, Cinderella. You may go if you do your work first, and if you have a dress to wear. Oh, thank you, Cinderella said. She runs up to her room to start getting her dress ready. Some mice lived in Cinderella's room. They were Cinderella's friends. She even made them little clothes for them. She cried to the mice, Guess what? I'm going to the ball at the palace. Hooray! She then showed them an old dress. It just needs a little mending and maybe a sash and some beads to make it pretty, the mice said. Yes, yes, Cinderella. Cinderella! The stepmother calls. Here comes Cinderella down the stairs. The stepmother tells her, I want you to clean the floor and wash the windows and dust the drapes. But I did that yesterday. Do it again. Cinderella worked as fast as she could, but there was always something else to do. Drizella and Anastasia, Cinderella, Cinderella, Cinderella. Oh dear, I will never have time to mend my dress. Gus, the mice, says, They make Cinderella work, work, work. Jack responds, She will have no time to fix her dress. We can do it. We can fix it together.